Hi, Ollie. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Are you ready for school?
Yes, I brought everything.
What time did you wake up?
At 7 o'clock.
Do you walk to school?
No, I take the bus.
What do you have in your backpack?
Books, notebooks, and pencils.
What's your first class today?
English class.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like learning new words.
What's your favorite subject?
I love science
Why do you like science?
because we do cool experiments.
Do you like math?
A little bit. It's okay.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Brown, the history teacher.
Is he nice?
Yes, he is funny and kind.
What time does school start?
At 8:30 in the morning.
What time does it end?
At 300 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, in the cafeteria.
What do you usually eat?
I eat a sandwich and fruit.
Do you sit with your friends?
Yes, we sit together every day.
Do you like recess?
Of course, it's fun time.
What do you do at recess?
I play football with my friends.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, I love reading books.
What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter. I like magic.
Do you have PE today?
Yes, we will play basketball.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love running and jumping.
Do you have music class?
Yes, on Wednesdays.
What instrument do you like?
I like the guitar.
Do you sing in class?
Sometimes, only in music class.
What is your classroom number?
It's room 12.
Do you sit in the front row?
No, I sit near the window.
Is your classroom big?
Not really, but it's nice.
Do you have a school uniform?
Yes, it's blue and white.
Do you like wearing it?
It's okay, but I prefer jeans.
Do you get homework every day?
Yes, but not too much.
How long do you study at home?
About 1 hour.
Who helps you with homework?
My sister helps me.
Do you use a computer for school?
Yes, for research and writing.
Do you have friends in your class?
Yes, many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Omar.
Do you share your lunch?
Sometimes, if I have extra snacks.
What do you like about school?
I like learning and playing.
Do you ever get bored in class?
Sometimes in long lessons.
Do you have art class?
Yes, on Fridays.
What do you draw in art class?
I draw animals and trees.
Do you go on school trips?
Yes, we went to the zoo last time.
Do you like your school?
Yes, it's clean and friendly.
What color is your school building?
It's white and gray.
Do you have a locker?
No, I keep everything in my bag.
Do you like your principal?
Yes, she is very kind.
What's her name?
Her name is Mrs. Allen.
Do you get good grades?
Yes, I try my best.
What subject is hard for you?
Math is sometimes hard.
Do you ever forget your homework?
Yes, once or twice.
Do your teachers get angry?
Only if we don't try.
Do you like group projects?
Yes, I like working with friends.
Do you sit next to someone funny?
Yes, my friend makes jokes.
Do you raise your hand in class?
Yes, when I know the answer.
Do you have tests often?
We have tests every week.
Are tests difficult?
Some are easy, some are hard.
Do you prepare well for tests?
Yes, I study the night before.
What do you use to study?
Books, notes, and flashcards.
Do you ever get nervous before tests?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you ever get detention?
No, I follow the rules.
Are phones allowed in your school?
No, we keep them in our bags.
Do you have a school bell?
Yes, it rings every period.
How many classes do you have each day?
Usually 6 or 7.
What time is lunch break?
At 1230.
How long is lunch break?
It's about 45 minutes.
Do you like your school bag?
Yes, it's red and has cartoons.
Do you pack your bag at night?
Yes, before I go to sleep.
Do you have many books?
Yes, my bag is heavy.
What do you do after school?
I go home and rest.
Do you do homework before dinner?
Yes, I finish it early.
Do you go to school events?
Yes, I love school parties.
Do you take part in shows?
Yes, I danced once.
Do your parents visit the school?
Yes, on parent-teacher days.
Do you like cleaning your desk?
Not really, but I do it.
Do you decorate your notebooks?
Yes, with stickers.
Do you write neatly?
I try to write clearly.
Do your teachers check your books?
Yes, they check every week.
Do you have to wear a name tag?
Only on special days.
Do you enjoy school assemblies?
Yes, they are fun.
What's your favorite school event?
Sports day, I love it.
Do you play any school sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you have a school team?
Yes, I want to join it.
Do you help your classmates?
Yes, when they need help.
Do they help you too?
Yes, we work together.
Do you like working alone or in groups?
I like group work.
Do you bring snacks to school?
Yes, I bring cookies.
Do you drink water or juice?
I drink water mostly.
Do you ever feel sleepy at school?
Yes, after lunch.
What do you do when you feel sleepy?
I wash my face or stand up.
Do you like rainy school days?
Yes, it feels cozy inside.
Do you talk to your teachers?
Yes, they are nice.
Do you help clean the classroom?
Yes, on Friday we all clean.
Do you know the school rules?
Yes, and I follow them.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, it's exciting.
Do you like making new friends?
Yes, I like talking to people.
Do you smile a lot at school?
Yes, I try to be friendly.
Do you like going to school every day?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's the best thing about school?
Being with friends and learning.
Do you want to be a teacher someday?
Maybe. I think it's a cool job.